This is the first station we are entering in Kerala. Immediately you can make out the difference between other stations in India and the Kerala station. So Kasaragod is the name of the station. So you can see the difference here, see the cleanliness. It's so clean here. And this is our train by Payanur. Nice station. Very nice, very clean. राकीबुल हुसैन ओह बड़ा नाम है हिंदी आता है ओह वेरी गुड It's called raita and some onions it's green chili so pickle here I don't know which pickle it is looks like beetroot and this is the chicken biryani oh this is my hometown Thrissur it's nice to come here when you see my hometown so nice. So this is the first station we are entering in Kerala. So immediately you can see the difference. This is I think Kasaragod. Immediately you can make out the difference between other stations in India and the Kerala station. So Kasaragod is the name of the station. So you can see the difference here, see the cleanliness. It's so clean here. And this is our train. Train is leaving. Now this is a double track here. So the policeman is whistling to everyone to get into the train. It's a nice station. So many lotus here. All lotus. So the auto rickshaw and the train going at the same speed. Tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk. Slow down. Slowly slow down. So Lalita, this is your place, Payanur. So my friend, her name is Lalita. We work together in Bank of India. So this is her place, Payanur. Parking area. They're building something new here. Lalitha, bye bye, Payanur. Nice station. Very nice, very clean. मोहम्मद ना राकिबुल हुसैन हो बड़ा नाम है हिंदी आता है ओह वेरी गुड हिंदी या ही नोस हिंदी या असम का है क्या कैसा लग रहा है इधर
मैं तो केरला में आया इधर 6 महीने हो गए मैं इधर है
अच्छा हाँ सो 6 months इज हियर सो थैंक यू मैं सोचा नहीं आएगा करके क्योंकि कैश पेमेंट नहीं ले रहा था नहीं चलेगा So this guy is from Assam and I never thought that they will deliver because cash on delivery was not available. But they called me and they delivered it. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. The guy is saying thank you. So now we see what's inside. This Talesheri, very famous. So this is Kannur station. There's another train over there. It looks beautiful, that train. It's a DMU. I think it's just a local train to move around Kannur to Kozhikode maybe. It looks really good. This is Talesheri station. Very famous station, Talesheri, and this biryani which I got is from this place. They call it Talesheri biryani. So this is the place from where this biryani is famous. So that's why I just take a video of this place. So people, you'll know that the biryani which I got is from this place, Talesheri biryani. Very famous. So I'll be tasting it and I'll tell you how it tastes. Because I also prepare biryani, so let me taste and tell you how it tastes. Nice station, very clean. Stations are really very clean in Kerala. See, there's no garbage on the track also. Only once something is lying here. Otherwise, see, it's so clean. And Talesheri, really, I love it. Such a beautiful stations in Kerala. So the price of this is 280 rupees. We'll open and see how it is. Let us see this Talesheri biryani, how it looks. So they gave a tissue, a spoon, and I open it from here. Called raita, curd and some onions with green chili. It's a pickle here. I don't know which pickle it is. It looks like beetroot. And this is the chicken biryani. Let me, and a beautiful view here in the window. Show you whether there is any chicken in this. Yeah, so there's a big piece of chicken here. Yeah, very big piece of chicken. So let me taste and see how it is. Friends, there are 2 pieces of chicken. Let me show you. There are 2 big pieces of chicken. Friends, let me taste and show you how it is. than Mumbai. And the pickle, let me taste the pickle and show you. Sweet, tangy, and also salty. Spicy also, yeah. So friends, I'm enjoying my biryani. It's a lunchtime. It's about now 1:45, so I'm having my biryani, and this is my window. Enjoying this view and having my lunch. It's complete green. It's here. So friends, also I prepared at home some chicken curry, chicken tikka masala, and my wife gave me some chapatis. So I'm enjoying this biryani with chicken tikka masala and chapati, and a bottle of water. Good evening. I'm in Shornur now, and this family, she's from Bank of India. So we met in the train. We were together from Mumbai to here. Shornur station. So if you want to go to Palakkad, Coimbatore, so you have to get down here. So always I used to get down here, and I used to take another train to Palakkad. Can you see that line? It goes to Palakkad. And it's cloudy. I think it may rain. Good. So the weather has changed and it is much cooler than what I thought. There are some cows over there. So that goes to Chennai and Palakkad, Coimbatore. So if you are coming from Kerala, so it goes like this, connects over there. And now there will be a river coming, that's the Bharatpura. It's a very big river now. You'll be seeing that there are people over there. So this is the line which goes to Palakkad. Hey brother, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, Leela Chechi. Bye bye. Next time. I really miss you all. So they live in Palakkad. Palakkad is just, you can see from here 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Yeah. So now it has touched here. Friends, this is the river, Bharatpura. There's a big work going on. It's a very old bridge. So this is the river. It comes from Malampura Dam. The water comes from Malampura Dam. There is a hill over there. And then this side, if you see, there's a big work going on down. Big work going on. I think they're building a new bridge because this is a very old bridge. I'll show you the name of the river. Every bridge in front and the back side, they write the name of the river. So now you will see the name of the river. That's the river. Now on this board you will see the name of the river, this one. See, Bharatpura. Actually not Puza, it is actually Bharatpura. Some old houses here. This is a beautiful old house. I don't know who's staying here, but so beautiful old house. This is the real Kerala architecture of the house. I can hear the sound of the birds. Now the next station is my native place. That's my hometown, Thrissur. Oh, this is my hometown, Thrissur. It's nice to come here when you see my hometown. So nice. Main entrance. The main entrance. It's very crowded. It's office time now, so it's very crowded. Fully crowded today. Friends, we have come to Ernakulam station. I had a cup of tea from this stall here. So, train is half an hour late, maybe 45 minutes late. I hope it may pick up. Now we are taking another route. There are two routes to go to Trivandrum. So, one is the coastal route and other is the main route. So, we may take a main route. So, this is S9, so mine is in front. So, I am having a cup of coffee. A cup of tea. So, this is the chair car. And here you have a footrest. Nice footrest. You have a footrest here. You can extend it. You can bring it up. You can just bring it down. And then there's a tray table here. And the space is so water bottle holder, something to keep here. And if you see up, there are some buttons here, so you can have a reading light here. This is for another seat over there, like aeroplane. And there's nice facilities here. So there's a station which has come. So this is how the train looks. So there's a station which has come here. It doesn't stop here, but I think Vande Bharat is passing by. Vande Bharat, there. So usually doesn't stop here, but there's a train coming. That's Vande Bharat, I think. Now you guys understood why I had to switch over. Now there's a train coming, Vande Bharat. So I just got on from this train, and now I have to take another train because this train goes to Trivandrum North, which is very far from Trivandrum Central. So I'm taking a ticket from here now, leaving now. This. Friends, now I'm taking another train. I got a general ticket from Kollam to Thiruvananthapuram, 40 rupees. And because the other train was to go, to Trivandrum North. So I thought, why not I take this train? So this from the station, my hotel is very close. So the train is coming, we see the light. So I will be taking this train.